When a massive steel press slams down on the assembly line, it feels like the definitive moment of creation. We focus on the sensory markers of industry, the intense heat, the rhythmic machinery, and the physical assembly of parts as the signs that a product is being born. But by the time these machines are activated and materials are cut, the product's success or failure has already been sealed. The factory floor is actually a place of rigid execution. It carries out a destiny that was decided long before the power was turned on. To find the real turning point, we have to look at the quiet, abstract space of the concept stage. This chart shows how a product's cost is committed over its life cycle. Notice that the shaded area peaks at 80% during the initial concept phase. The vast majority of manufacturing costs are locked in right here, long before production ever begins. Every structural choice made in this phase carries a silent gravity, invisibly eliminating thousands of alternative designs with a single decision. The most high-stakes moments of development happen here, in the fluid and fragile process of conceptualization. This creates a state of asymmetrical commitment, where the financial weight of a design change shifts violently as the project moves forward. In the early hours, iteration is nearly free. Altering a direction requires nothing more than erasing a sketch or deleting a digital file. Look at this graph. During the concept stage, the cost of making a change stays near zero, but once physical tools are fabricated, that cost spikes into an exponential curve. A minor modification now cascades into massive supply chain disruptions and blown budgets. Product development is unforgiving. A decision is cheap as a sketch, but it is brutal once tooled. Time acts as an amplifier, turning simple sketches into catastrophic liabilities if errors are caught only after the machinery has been built. Top design teams survive this economic trap by deliberately delaying their final commitment. They use a strategy called front-loading, resisting the urge to rush into physical prototyping so they can stay in the low-cost exploration phase as long as possible. Instead of picking one path, they generate dozens of competing design directions early on, comparing them side by side to see every angle. They interrogate every functional and geometric detail of a solution before they ever allow an option to be discarded. A team's design intelligence is defined by the breadth of their exploration before they commit to a single build. Eventually, the exploration must end. To move into the world of physical products, a final, binding decision is required. This is the irreversible line, the threshold where a design stops being malleable data and becomes permanent physical intent. Crossing this line by accident is the greatest danger in engineering, whether it's caused by external pressure, impatience, or simply missing a better option. Success depends on a team's ability to control exactly when and why they step over that threshold of permanence. To master this threshold, teams need a way to explore thousands of conceptual variations at the same speed they used to draw just one. Depix is designed for this exact purpose, allowing teams to exhaust every possibility in the concept stage with high-speed, comprehensive exploration. This ensures that when the irreversible line is finally drawn, it is done on purpose, with the confidence that comes from seeing every possible angle. Decisions are cheap as a sketch, and brutal once tooled. Winning teams see every angle before they build.